Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video, we are going to see how to open Firefox browser using Selenium, and we will use Python programming language for our code. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel, you can get videos related to automation testing, manual testing and programming languages as well. So let's start with our today's video. So in the previous video, we have seen how we can configure PyDev in Eclipse, and we have also seen that how we can download Python and how we can install Python on our system. So if you have not seen the previous videos, I will give the link in the description so that you can watch that videos. So in today's video, we have to open Firefox browser using our Selenium WebDriver and Python programming language. So for that, first of all, we have to install the Selenium module in our system. So for that, we have to go to our command prompt, and here we have to write pip install Selenium and hit enter. Now it will automatically collect the Selenium from the website, official website, and it will install the Selenium on our system. So here it is displaying that successfully installed Selenium and the version name. Now we have successfully installed Selenium on our system. Let's go back to the Eclipse. So here first of all we have to create a new py file. For that we will right click on the package, new, and pydev module, and let us name the .py file as ff_demo and click on finish. Now a new .py file ff_demo is created. We have to press on OK. In this .py file, we will write our code for opening the Firefox browser using the Selenium WebDriver. So first of all, we have to import the WebDriver module that we have installed on our system. So for that, we will write from Selenium import WebDriver. Now we can use the functions or the methods that are present in this WebDriver module in our code, right? Now we have to create a new class. For that we will write class is the keyword, and let us name the class as ff_class. Now we have to create a function or a method inside the class. For creating a method in Python, we have to write def and the name of the method. Let us name the method as open_ff. So in Python we do not have curly braces as we have in Java. In the place of curly braces we have this indentation. So to indicate the block of a code, in Python we have to give space in front of that line of code. This is called indentation in Python. So if the indentation is present, it will consider the complete code as one block of code. In Eclipse, the indentation is automatically handled by the Eclipse IDE, right? So inside this method, we have to write driver equals to WebDriver dot Firefox, and the arguments we have to give executable path equals to, and in here we have to give the location of the Gecko driver. So I have already downloaded the Gecko driver. I will show you from where you can download the Gecko driver. So I will copy this path and I will paste it here. Right. So now we have successfully given the path of Gecko driver to this driver. Now we can use the methods of this driver to open the URL on the system. Okay, so this is the path of the Gecko driver, and we have to give it inside this executable path equals to the path of Gecko driver. So to download the Gecko driver, we have to go to on our browser, and in the browser we have to write download Gecko driver, and then we have to go to this link github.com Mozilla Gecko driver releases. So the latest version that is present of the Gecko driver is displayed on the top. Then we have to scroll down and we have to select the platform on which we have to download the Gecko driver. From here we can select the platform and download the Gecko driver. So we have to give the path of the Gecko driver in this argument, right? Now to open the URL we have to write driver dot, and these are all the functions that are present for this WebDriver object, right? So for opening a URL we have to write get, and the URL we have to specify. So let us give the URL as www.facebook.com, and at last we will write driver.close, right? So as I have told you that in Python the indentation indicates the block of a code. So as you can see, this method, all of these statements are written at this level. So this specify that these statements are present inside this method open Firefox, right? Now we have created a method for opening the Firefox browser inside the class ff_class. Now what we have to do, we have to create an object of this ff_class for accessing this openff method. So for creating an object we have to write the name of the object equals to the class ff_class. So this ff object is of this ff_class. Now we can access the open_ff function. For that we will write ff_obj dot openff, right? So now this object will call this function open_ff, and inside this method we have written to open the Firefox browser and to open the URL facebook.com on that, and after that it will close the browser. So now let us save it and let us see what is the output. We have to run it using this Python run. Press on OK. Now the Firefox browser should be opened. So as you can see, the Firefox browser is opened and the URL should be facebook.com. So the Facebook is being loaded, and once it is completely loaded, the browser will be closed because we have written driver.close. It is still loading. Now it's loaded and it is closed. So this is the way by which we can open the Firefox browser using the Selenium WebDriver and Python programming language. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.